excited to discuss a transformative development in the field of radiology: the integration of artificial intelligence to meet the evolving needs of radiologists and significantly enhance diagnostic precision. So this journey towards revolutionizing radiology underscores a big shift in healthcare technology, which promise a future where diagnostics are faster, more accurate, and seamless integrations into the workflow of radiology practices. So in the dynamic environment of radiology, professionals need to deal with high volume of caseloads and the critical demand for accuracy. So it's a field where the difference between a missed and detected anomalies can significantly impact patient outcomes. So recognizing these challenges, the integration of AI-powered assistant has emerged as a beacon of innovation designed to augment the capabilities of radiologists, which ensures more reliable and swift diagnostics. So radiologists has been very clear about their expectations of AI. They seek near perfect performance from AI-generated draft reports, particularly in sensitivity and specificity. So the rationale is straightforward: to minimize the time spent on the corrections and focus more on clinical decision making. So this expectation stems from a broader vision to reduce cognitive burden, enhance interpretation confidence, and more importantly, avoid overlooking critical clinical observations, especially when reviewing complex images. So one notable preference among radiologists in short, structured, and standardized reporting. The consensus leans towards bullet point findings rather than narrative prose, which align with the need for clarity and consistency in reports. So this shift is not just about saving time, it's about enhancing the quality of communication within the clinical teams, and which ensures that clinical information is readily accessible and understandable. Moreover, radiologist values the prioritization of findings and the indication of confidence level by the AI systems. So these features help streamline the diagnostic process, guiding clinical decision making and ensuring immediate attention to the most clinically relevant findings. So this prioritization is critical in high pressure environment where time is very much important. So understanding these nuances, we have developed an AI-enhanced draft report generated system, a groundbreaking tool designed to transform radiologist reporting. So this system is not just about tech innovative, it's a thoughtfully crafted solution that addresses the intrinsic need of radiologists, offering exceptional sensitivity and accuracy in generating draft reports. So it represents a significant step forward in reducing the workload and stress associated with the demanding role of radiologists, marked by high volume and the need for rapid report turnover. So our system signifies modern reporting trends, focusing on concise bullet-pointed standard reports. So this approach ensures clarity and consistency and facilitates swift, informed clinical decisions. So by automating the creation of initial draft, our AI solution allows radiologists to dedicate more time to nuisance analysis, thereby enhancing diagnostic precision. So we are also introduced features that prioritize findings based on clinical relevance and provide confidence scores for each observation. This functionality is very important in aiding radiologists in making quicker, more informed decisions, which is very much essential for efficiently prioritizing patient care. So in addition to this, our platform also offers versatile report presentation options, catering to the varied preference of radiologists and clinicians. So this adaptability makes our AI-generated draft practical and comprehensive, serving as an essential tool for triage and facilitating clinical communication. So our commitment to revolutionizing radiologist practices remains steadfast as we look to the future. We're continuously enhancing our system's capability, incorporating features like augmented report review and visual search functionalities. So these advancements are designed to streamline the diagnostic process further, ensure the accuracy and effectiveness. So in conclusion, integrating AI in radiology is more than a technological advancement. It's a paradigm shift towards better patient care. So by understanding and addressing the specific needs of radiologists, we are paving the way for the future where diagnostics are not only faster and more accurate, but also more aligned with the critical demands of healthcare professionals. So thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any questions you may have.